Shaka Brown here. Yes, we're going to continue a little bit more on faith. And obviously, there's going to be more. There will be more. So I want to look a little bit more at devotion. So let me show you here what I wrote. This is from the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. And remember, the scripture again is 2 Corinthians 1:24. And the last part is, for by faith ye stand. So let's go. So devotion again, it means to commit by a solemn act. And they gave an example of that. They said she devoted herself to serving God. That's her solemn act, serving God. Devotion also means to give over or to direct time, money, effort, etc. to a cause, enterprise, or activity. And I'm going to say to a person, because we're talking about God here. And then I took out a few of the synonyms of devotion, which means to allocate, dedicate, earmark, or reserved. And then I wrote down my own thoughts right here. So basically, devotion is a commitment. That's just one of my understandings of it. Now, before I actually looked at this, I already had an understanding of devotion, which means to give your time and your attention to something. It's something that you're committed to. You're constantly devoting yourself to committing your time and your attention and also your resources. Because as we read here, it means to give over to or direct your time, money, which is your resources, and effort, which is your resources, etc., to a cause, enterprise, or activity. And I added in there a person. So faith right now is looking a little bit like this. It comprises of loyalty, commitment, and devotion, which is your time and your attention. This is just my beginning of looking into faith. So what I'm doing right now is laying the foundation. This is very important, to lay this foundation. So I'm planting this scripture in on the inside of me. This is all the stuff I'm showing you here, looking at words, begin to understand it. This is the foundation. You're planting this scripture on the inside of you. And after it's planted, there's going to be things that's going to be coming out of it. So this is absolutely necessary. Let's continue.